In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to Google the cheapest flights in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're planning a much needed getaway or looking to save on your next business trip, I've got you covered with a straightforward guide to navigating Google Flights for the best deals out there. Let's jump right in. The first thing you'll want to do is head over to the Google Flights website. You can do this by opening your web browser and typing in https://www.google.com/travel/flights into the address bar, or simply searching for Google Flights in your preferred search engine. Once the page is loaded, look for the sign in button located at the top right corner of the page. Clicking this will prompt you to choose which Google account you'd like to use for this session. Selecting your account will bring you to the next step, where you'll be asked to type in your Google password for security reasons. Go ahead and enter your password, then press the next button to proceed. At this point, you're logged in and ready to start your search for the cheapest flights available. Your next step is to choose your destination route. Conveniently, Google Flights allows you to either type in your destination and departure locations or select them from a drop-down list. So, for instance, if you're planning to fly from New York to Paris, you'll input those cities into the respective fields. After selecting your route, you'll want to pick your departure and return dates. Google Flights has a calendar tool that makes this step quite intuitive. Simply click on the dates that work best for you. If you're flexible with dates, you can explore different options to see which combinations offer lower prices. Once you've selected your dates, click Done. This will take you back to the main search screen, where you'll click on the search button to view available flights. Google Flights will then populate a list of options based on the information you've provided. Here's where the magic happens. At the top of the search results, you'll find a sort by option. Click on this and then select a price to reorder your search results from the lowest to the highest priced flights. This simple step can unveil some seriously good deals that you might have overlooked. At this stage, you'll be presented with a range of cheap flights for your specified dates and destinations. Take a moment to review these options. Once you spot a deal that seems too good to pass up, click on it for more details. Now it's time to make a decision. If you're satisfied with the flight option you've chosen, go ahead and select it. You'll notice that there's a drop-down arrow next to the price. Clicking this will expand the section and provide you with more information about the flight, like baggage allowances and layover details. Click Select Flight to proceed with your chosen flight. This action doesn't book the ticket just yet, but takes you one step closer. You'll then be prompted to click on a Continue button, which essentially takes you out of Google Flights and directs you to the respective airline's website. Once you're on the airline's website, you'll have the opportunity to review all the details of your flight once more before finalizing your booking. This is also the part where you'll enter passenger information, choose seats if you wish, and provide payment details. And that's it. You've successfully navigated Google Flights to snag a great deal on your next trip. Before you finalize your booking on the airline's website, remember to double check all your travel details one last time. It's always better to be safe than sorry, especially when it comes to travel arrangements. By following these steps, not only have you learned a valuable skill in searching for affordable airfare, but you've also leapfrogged into being a savvy traveller. With practice, you'll become even more proficient at using Google Flights and other similar tools to ensure that you're always getting the best deal possible. Safe travels, and remember, the world is just a few clicks away.